Hello students, good morning. We are studying algebra chapter number 3 AP, arithmetic progression, means sequence in which common difference between two consecutive terms is constant. In previous period we saw first term, second, third, fourth and common difference between them. D for common difference, and first term A is equal to T1, first term. Today we are going to learn nth term. You know first term is T1, T for term, T1 first term, T2 second term, T3 third term, fourth term, and nth term. N means any number. Nth term of an A. We can find a desired number or terms of an A. Nth term. If we have to find suppose 20th term, then we can find it by using this formula. Tn means nth term of AP, or it is also called as last term of an AP or general term of an AP. Tn, this is the first formula of this chapter. Tn means nth term of an AP or general term of an AP or last term of an AP. Formula is Tn is equal to Tn, nth term, is equal to A means first term, plus n minus 1 into D. D means common difference between two consecutive terms. Therefore, formula for nth term of an AP is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So now we are going to solve practice set 3.2. Already we solved question number 1 in last period activity. Now see question number 2. Actually it is question number 2 in practice set 3.2. Question is, decide whether following sequence is an AP. You have to first decide whether the given sequence is an AP. If it is an AP, then find 20th term of this AP. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. We have to find 20th term. First, we decide it is an AP or not. So, see here, difference between two consecutive terms. T1, this is T2. Difference between two consecutive terms, minus 5 minus 12 means T2 minus T1. T2 is minus 5 minus 12. Minus becomes plus. Minus 5 plus 12. Minus 5 plus 12. Different side, difference. Difference between 5 and 12 is 7, and greater number sign 12 is greater. Therefore it is 7. Next, T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. 2 minus 5. Minus plus. 2 plus 5, 7. Similarly, T4 minus T3. 9 minus 2, 7. 16 minus 9, 7. Means here common difference between two consecutive terms is constant. 7, 7, 7, 7. Difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, this is an AP. Given sequence is an AP. Now, you have to find 20th term. 20th term means you have to find T20. T for term 20. 20th term means वैल्यू ऑफ n इज 20. इसका मतलब n का वैल्यू कितना है 28. इधर देखना है आपको 20 टर्म मीन्स T20. therefore value of n is 20. now you know the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. so first write formula. Tn, nth term of an AP, a plus n minus 1 into t. Now substitute values. Tn 20 term means T20. A value of a is first term a is equal to minus 12. a का वैल्यू कितना है minus 12 plus n minus 1. value of n is 20 minus 1 into t. common difference is 7. T20 is equal to a का वैल्यू minus 12 plus 20 minus 1 19 into 7. first multiply this. 19 into 7 is 133 plus minus 12. minus 12 plus 133. difference sign difference. so subtract 133 minus 12. 121 and greater number sign. greater number is 133. therefore it's sign. therefore 20th term of an AP is 121. similar to this we have to solve question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. now see question number 2. actually it is question number 5 in textbook. find 27th term of an A. find 27th term. 27th term means you have to find T27. 27. second term means T2. fifth term means T5. 10th term means T10. similar to this 27th term means T27 means value of n is 27. now in this AP is given. so you have to first write first term T1 means A. T1 is also denoted by A. A is equal to 9. first term means A 9. difference कोई भी दो consecutive terms का difference ले सकते हैं. T2 minus T1. D का वैल्यू कैसा फाइंड आउट करेंगे T2 minus T1. value of T2 4 minus 9 that is equal to minus 1. value of D T2 minus T1 4 minus 9. 4 में से 9 नहीं जाता है तो आपको क्या करना है 9 में से 4 गया 5 and greater number side minus. find 27th term. first write formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 27th T27 that is equal to value of A is 9. substitute values. A 9 plus n minus 1. value of n is 27 minus 1 into D. value of D is minus 5. first solve the bracket. 27 minus 1 is 26 into minus 5. 26 into minus 5. First find this multiplication. 26 5 the 130 plus minus minus 9 minus 130. 130 में से 9 गए 125 and greater number sign. So 27 term of this AP is minus 121. 27 term is 327. So similar to this, you have to solve remaining question number 3, 4 or 5. Okay, understood? So first write this given examples. After that, solve yourself question number 3 and 4. And homework is given. Homework is, today's homework for you is write solve example in textbook. Before this, practice set on page number 64. Okay, thank you.